Okay, so this is the stuff that we just pulled out of the car that she's trading in. That's Melissa. Let me show you what's left here. If you can see the trash, there's a possible hoarding issue. Hold on, come here, Melissa. Melissa, what are we gonna do with this bow? Hold on, it looks like there's still a bow here in the back seat, if you can see it. And I believe her exact words were, "I'll just leave it," which is pretty amazing. Anyway, that's the car she's trading in, and she's getting a car similar to that.